Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing Origami fortune teller toy model. It's a gimmick, don't go on that. It's a very basic fortune teller toy model. So without further delay, let's begin the show. So guys, for this Origami fortune teller toy model, we'll need a square piece of paper. This is a gimmick called Origami fortune teller toy, but it's a very easy model. So let's first fold along the horizontal axis, make a rectangle, edge to edge properly. Now we fold along the vertical axis to form a smaller square, like this. You see 4 flaps here, so fold one on this side, fold another on this side. Now you open, there is an opening here, you open it from this side, fold it inwards. You'll see 2 flaps more, so one on this side and one on this side. Now open the entire thing. This is how it looks. We just did a 4 flap fold. Now along the center, let's fold along the horizontal axis. We need to repeat the same steps again actually. So fold it along the vertical axis, again we'll find 4 flaps, so one we fold along this, another we fold along the opposite, open from the center, close it, the one flap on this side and the last flap on this side. This is how it looks. Now you open the entire thing, and this is the Origami fortune teller toy model. We used to play with this during our school days when we were kids. So we open this flap here like this, like this, like this, and like this. So this. We used to write, you generally write numbers on this, and then you open and there is some text or some prediction written over here, and you just select a number out of it, and then that's how you play, like this. So this is the Origami fortune teller toy model. I hope you liked this video. So stay tuned and thanks for watching, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this toy. We used to play it during our childhood days, and it's really beautiful, very small, very cute. So go ahead and make one and enjoy Origami, but don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.